We'll guide you through how to automate your Trello tasks using Butler. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your website and go to the board where you want to automate tasks. Look for the Butler button on the right side of your board. It might be under the Automation or Power-Ups tab, depending on your setup. Click on it. If you haven't enabled Butler yet, you'll need to click on Enable or Add to Board. Once Butler is active, you'll see the options for creating rules, card buttons, board buttons, and calendar commands. Let's start with a simple rule. Click on Create a Rule. This is where you can set triggers and actions. For example, you can set a rule that whenever a card is moved to a done list, Butler will automatically archive it. First, choose a trigger by clicking on When and selecting an event like a card is moved to list. Then, specify the list, such as Done. Next, choose an action by clicking on Then and selecting Archive the card. You can add multiple actions if needed. Once you're done, click Save. You can also create card buttons for actions you perform regularly. Go back to the main Butler menu and click on Card button. Name your button, like Quick Archive, choose the action you want, such as Archive Card, and hit Save. This will create a button on each card, allowing you to archive it with a single click. These automations can save you a lot of time by handling repetitive tasks automatically. Experiment with different triggers and actions to find what works best for your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.